Yo, hey, what's up? Oh shoot, that's the whole drip top thingy. Oh gosh, please don't crash. What the? No, I do not want to play You Cringe. Good song. Flip off the people here. This girl's actually kind of cute. I like everything here, but like the clothes are like $500,000. I can't even say anything right now. Okay, I'm gonna explain the story. Shoot, I don't remember the story. I forgot what I was gonna say. It was like before I was about to record, I'm like, I have a really good story to tell y'all, and I just forgot it. I still have the edgy disease with the side of cringe disorder. Let us spin the wheels. Yes, I am VIP. So y'all already know that I met 2 new people yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I'm an idiot, so I don't remember. Ooh, 300 coins in 1 spin. 2 spins, actually. I can't count either. The better not crash. I'll flip you off if you crash. Because I have the power of the middle finger. Y'all, the series is gonna, the LPS series, Dormmates, I'm going to upload the episode today, don't worry. Oh shoot. Don't crash, please. Don't crash, please. I will kill you. I will kill you. I swear to God if you crash. Fuck y'all. I can't even type right now. I'm recording. Say hola. Oh dear God. Some people said hi. I need to do some animations to get some people here. If somebody said O-L-L-L-L-L-L-L-L-L, you can't spell right. This is not a good impression for you. Alright? Yes, that's the face I make all the time too. I can relate on you with that. No, I do not want to be your friend, but hold on, I can't. I'm trying to find a freaking animation I could do. Be happy that you're alive. Ma'am, I don't want to be happy. And I don't want to live. My heart is in banana unana. Half my heart is in banana unana. And the guy just leaves. Oh my God. He just leaves. Kiss me. What? You know what? You know what, girl? Okay. I'll just add you, I guess. I guess you probably want just to be happy. Y'all gay. Oh my. She said we are having sex. I'm crazier. I'm crazier. You already know that you've been on this channel a long time. Okay. FNAF. Yes. FNAF is the bomb. Yeet. There is so much drama going on in here. Like, oh my god. Wheeze. Oh my god. Oh my. I am done with this now. I just give up. I give up on everything. Goodbye, cruel world.